The AoR are delighted to announce the launch of the new and updated official AoR guide to hand reflexology. This is a downloadable guide with nearly 120 pages, and it's packed with images and links to videos. Hand reflexology is an invaluable tool for any reflexologist, whether you use it as a standalone treatment, for reinforcing out-of-balanced reflexes, or to give to clients for self-care between treatments. This guide covers everything we think you need to know about hand reflexology. But what makes this guide different? As with all reflexology books, it includes descriptions and pictures. However, this guide includes links to videos for all of the hand reflexology points and the recommended sequences to make the practical learning easier and more accessible for you. An example of our video here, you will see there is text in the box and then a hand reflexology video demonstrating how the areas can be worked. This downloadable guide is available to buy now on the AoR shop on our website. If you are a member of the AoR, remember to log in to get your membership discount.